Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit your prompts in Google Gemini. So I've just entered a prompt, it gave me a result, and I realize I'm not too happy with the way I wrote that prompt. So I'm going to go back and edit that. So it brings me to a little editing box. There's my original prompt. It wasn't good enough, it wasn't long enough, so I'm going to change that to write a long email and then update, and I'm going to get a new result. Hopefully it will be longer, more detailed. Oh yeah, getting pretty long here. All right, so this is exactly the type of email we would all dread, several pages long, but understand the point. If you're entering a prompt and it gets you pretty close to where you want, but there's something you realize that maybe you could have been more descriptive about, you were mistaken about something, there's just something about the prompt you need to change, but you don't want to create like a whole new prompt for it, you can go back and just edit the prompt that you used to generate the original result.